Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. We are so happy you are here today.
Hello, Jessica, and hello, dear listeners. Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
This is a calm, friendly, and safe place to learn English. You don't need perfect English here. You don't need big words. You don't need fast speaking. You only need to listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
We really appreciate it. Maybe you are at home, sitting on your sofa. Maybe you are walking outside. Maybe you are traveling on a bus or a train. Maybe you are resting after a long day. Wherever you are not alone.
Yes, very welcome. Take a slow, deep breath. Let your body relax. Learning English should not feel stressful. It should feel light and comfortable. You are doing something good for yourself today.
That's right. Remember, you are learning step by step, one word at a time, one sentence at a time. You don't need to rush. Slow learning is good learning.
Exactly. Mistakes are okay. Pauses are okay. Silence is okay. You are still learning, and that is enough.
Before we start, we have a small request. If you enjoy listening to us, if this podcast helps you feel relaxed, please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you can, share it with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, maybe you know someone who feels shy about speaking English. Maybe a friend, a family member, or a coworker. This podcast can help them feel more confident. Your support really helps us continue.
Thank you so much. Now let's begin with today's lesson.
David, let me ask you something. What are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very simple, very common, very useful in daily life. We are talking about your weekend.
Yes, your weekend. This is something people talk about all the time.
At work on Monday morning,
At school with classmates,
when meeting friends.
or even when talking to someone new.
People often ask one simple question.
They ask, "What did you do on the weekend?"
This question sounds easy.
But many English learners feel nervous.
Yes, they think, oh no, what should I say?
They worry about words.
They worry about mistakes.
They worry about speaking wrong English.
But today we want to tell you something important.
You don't need a long story.
You don't need special plans.
You don't need perfect English.
Simple English is enough.
Even 2 or 3 short sentences are perfect.
And the good news is,
Most people just want a small, friendly answer.
they are not testing you.
They are just making conversation.
So today we will help you feel comfortable.
We will show you how to talk about your weekend in easy English,
With natural examples
with real-life situations.
and with friendly conversation.
So relax and enjoy learning English with us. Let's start with a very simple question. This is a question people ask all the time. You hear it at work, at school, and with friends.
Yes, it is very common.
David, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good. Very simple. And that is enough.
Yes, exactly. Many learners think they need a long answer, but they don't.
Sometimes people only want a short, friendly reply.
Right. You can smile and say, "My weekend was good."
Or you can say, my weekend was nice.
You can also say, "My weekend was quiet."
Quiet is a nice word. It means calm, no stress.
Yes, and quiet weekends are very normal.
You don't need exciting plans to speak English well.
Even a simple answer sounds confident.
And confidence is very important.
Now let's go a little deeper. David, what did you do on the weekend?
I stayed at home. I watched TV. I rested.
That sounds very comfortable.
Yes, it was relaxing. I needed rest.
Many people feel the same. After a busy week, rest is important.
And this is great English practice.
Yes, Listeners, please notice something.
Short sentences,
Clear words.
no pressure.
You can say, I stayed at home.
I watched a movie.
I watched TV.
I slept a lot.
Sleeping is very popular on weekends.
Yes, very popular.
And all these sentences are perfect English.
Simple English is strong English.
Now let's talk about family. David, did you spend time with your family?
Yes, I did. I visited my parents.
Oh, that's lovely. Many people enjoy family time on weekends.
Yes. We talked about our week.
That's nice.
We ate dinner together.
Food and family. Always a good weekend.
Yes, and it's easy to talk about.
You can say, I visited my family.
I spent time with my parents.
I had dinner with my family.
Or even, we talked and laughed.
These sentences sound warm.
People like hearing about family.
It makes conversations friendly and human. Now let's talk about friends. What about your friends, David?
On Sunday, I met my friends.
That sounds fun. Where did you go?
We went to a cafe.
A cafe is a great place to relax.
Yes, we drank coffee.
And talked, I'm sure.
Yes, we talked a lot.
That sounds like a happy weekend.
We laughed. Yes, and the English is very easy.
You can say, I met my friends.
We went out.
We drank coffee.
We talked and laughed.
Perfect weekend English.
No difficult words. Just real life.
Now, let's be honest for a moment. Not every weekend is fun or exciting. Some people work on weekends.
That's very true. Many people don't have free weekends.
David, did you work this weekend?
Yes, I did. I worked on Saturday.
And that is completely okay.
Yes, I worked in the morning. In the evening, I rested at home.
That sounds very normal. Listeners, please remember this.
You don't need a special or interesting weekend.
You don't need travel.
You don't need parties.
Real life is enough.
You can say very simple things.
For example, I worked.
I studied.
I had a busy weekend.
Busy is a useful word,
Yes, busy means you had many things to do.
and many people understand that.
You can also say, I worked on Saturday and rested on Sunday.
That sounds clear and natural.
Simple English helps you feel confident. Now let's add a little fun. David, did you clean your house this weekend?
A little, not too much.
That sounds very honest.
Yes, I cleaned my room.
Only your room.
Yes, then I stopped.
That is very real life.
Many people plan to clean everything.
But cleaning is hard.
Yes, and we get tired.
So you can say, I cleaned my house.
Or you can say, I cleaned a little.
Or even, I wanted to clean, but I was tired.
That sentence makes people smile.
Yes, because it is true for many people. Now let's imagine a real life situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
It is Monday morning. You are at work.
You feel a little tired.
Your coworker smiles and says, Hi, how was your weekend?
You smile back and say, My weekend was good. I rested.
Perfect answer.
Short and clear.
You can also say, I had a quiet weekend.
Quiet sounds calm and positive.
Yes, and people like calm answers.
They may say, That sounds nice.
And the conversation feels easy. Now, let's talk about school.
You are in class.
Your teacher asks, What did you do on the weekend?
You can answer calmly.
You can say, I studied and stayed at home.
That is a great answer.
Simple.
Clear.
No stress.
Teachers understand simple English.
Yes, and they are happy when you try. Now imagine something different. A party or a small gathering.
You meet someone new.
They smile and ask, How was your weekend?
You can say, It was nice. I met my friends.
They will understand you.
And they may ask more questions. It
That's a good thing.
means they are interested.
And your English helped start a conversation.
That is success.
David, let me ask you something very honest. What if someone did nothing on the weekend?
That is completely okay.
Yes, very okay. Many weekends are like that.
Sometimes people feel shy to say it,
Yes, they think it sounds boring.
but it is normal life.
And normal life is good English practice.
You can say very simple things.
For example,
I did nothing special.
this sentence is very common.
Many people say it.
You can also say, I stayed home and relaxed.
Relaxed is a nice word. It means you rested your body and mind.
Yes, and people understand it very well.
You can even smile when you say it.
That makes your English sound friendly.
Remember, resting is not a bad weekend.
It is a healthy weekend. Now let's practice together. Don't worry, there is no pressure.
Yes, listeners, you can repeat with us. You can speak softly or in your mind.
My weekend was good.
Very nice. Again, I stayed at home.
Good. I spent time with my family.
Excellent. I met my friends.
Great job. I rested.
Perfect.
When you repeat, your confidence grows
Your mouth learns the words.
and your mind feels calm.
Practice does not need to be hard.
Let's remember something important.
You don't need long stories.
You don't need fast speaking.
You don't need perfect English.
Short answers are strong answers.
People understand simple English.
Most people are kind.
They listen to your meaning, not your mistakes.
Confidence is more important than grammar.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
And believe in yourself. Now we have a small practice for you.
Yes, please join us.
Think about your last weekend.
What did you do?
Write to 1 or 2 simple sentences in the comments.
For example, my weekend was quiet. I rested.
Or, I worked and stayed at home.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just try.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We are very proud of you for learning English.
Every small step matters.
Keep practicing
Keep listening.
and be kind to yourself.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Take care.
Bye bye.